In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email campaign in Mailerlite in 2025 step by step. First, log into your Mailerlite account and open the dashboard. Once you're inside, go to the left-hand menu and click Campaigns. From there, click Create or Create Campaign to start building a new email. Next, choose your campaign type. For a standard newsletter or promotional email, select Regular Campaign. After that, you'll have the option to start from scratch or use a template. If you already know the kind of layout you want, starting from scratch gives you full control. If you want to save time, a template can help you move faster. Now choose your editor. Mailerlite usually gives you options like the drag and drop editor, the simple editor, or the custom HTML editor. If you're new to the platform, the drag and drop editor is the easiest and most beginner-friendly choice because it lets you build your email visually. Once you're in the editor, design your email, add your text, images, buttons, links, and any other content you want your subscribers to see. Take your time here and make sure everything is clear and visually organized. When you're happy with the design, click Done Editing. After that, enter your campaign details. Add a campaign name so you can identify it later inside your account. Then write your subject line, choose your sender name and sender email, and add a preheader if you want. The preheader is the short preview text many people see in their inbox, so it can help improve opens if used well. Next, select your recipients. Click. Select recipients, then choose the groups or segments that should receive this email. If needed, you can also exclude certain groups or segments so the message only goes to the right audience. Before sending anything, review your email carefully, preview it, and check how it looks on both desktop and mobile. Also review your subject line, sender details, links, images, and the overall content to make sure everything is correct. Then send a test email to yourself or a colleague by clicking Send a Test. This is a great way to catch formatting issues, broken links, or anything that looks different in an actual inbox. When you're ready, click Send or Schedule and choose how you want the campaign delivered. You can send it immediately with Send Now, schedule it for a specific date and time with Send Later, use time zone delivery so subscribers receive it at their local time, or choose Smart Sending if that feature is available on your plan. Finally, do one last review and click Send Now or Schedule. If you schedule it, the campaign will stay in the outbox until it goes out. After the campaign is sent, open it from the Sent folder and check the report to see how your subscribers interacted with your email.